the walking tour of the Ko Olina Center directly across from Aulani Resort. Good morning. We went back to the room last night, visited with our friends for a while, and then just kind of passed out. I was really tired last night, but I had a good time visiting with our friends. So, review a Makahiki dinner. It was not for our kids. The menu, in my opinion, was not a Disney menu. There wasn't the kid-friendly options, and that could be because of the limited menu right now as they're doing the 3-course prefix meal. There just wasn't the kids options that we liked. And then again, our kids are right at that in-between stage. You know, we got 13, 10, and 7. They're not always chicken nuggets, but they're definitely not ribeye steak. So the happy medium. And even the they went with the fettuccine with chicken instead of shrimp. Well, they didn't have any fettuccine noodles, so it was a different type of noodle, and that threw my daughter off. So it was just kind of a good meal, but not a meal for my kids. So maybe something to think about. That good experience if you have a picky child, or Makahiki might not be the best option. It was very expensive for what we got. So we are starting this beautiful morning by myself. It is 6:47. Got up around 5 this morning. Just kind of sat there for a little bit, played on my phone. I'm like, okay, yeah, it's time to go. So everyone else is still in the room, starting to scurry, but still sleeping. So I am currently walking in front of the resort. I'm in the front of the parking garage right now. I'm walking over to the Island Vintage Coffee Market area where Monkeypod and some of the other restaurants are. We're gonna walk around over there, kind of look around for a little bit. I do have the GoPro and the media mod, but I forgot a bolt to connect it to my pole, so I'm holding it in my hand. So hopefully it's not too shaky or different than what I've been used to. I tried to fake something up, but couldn't do it. Another note, room keys have not been great. My room key is not working again. Works for the parking garage, but did not work for the door to try to get back in to get me a bolt for my GoPro setup, so bummer there. We did hear that one of the issues with the keys is a known issue that we've had at Disney World, having too many magic bands connected to our accounts. So that's why they say Jen's key's been having a problem, but now my key didn't work. So as always, when they fix a problem with your keys, they deactivate other keys, and then keys get confused. So yeah, not fun. But crossing the street, we'll go check out Island Vintage Coffee at 6:50 on, I think it's Friday. It's a Friday. I will say the lobby was a little bit more busy today too. There are more people walking around, people with bags going to the pool this early in the morning. So I don't know if occupancy is picking up or if it's just people showing up, but it does look like it's going to be a little bit busier next couple days. Island Vintage Coffee is the first thing you walk to, directly across the street.
Our plan was to go to
Not very busy inside right now, only a couple people waiting outside. Looks like pretty basic prices for the coffee, and we'll just continue coming around. And right now, okay, there's a rooster hanging out. More people on this side, but right next to Island Vintage Coffee is Monkeypod Kitchen. Food, drink, Monday through Sunday. 11 to 11. I'll go ahead and peek at their menu real quick. I might try to eat here, but we are running out of days and places we wanted to eat. Ooh, there is the QR code if you want to go ahead and scan that. That'll take you directly to the menu. It should at least. This is the wine menu. Another QR code for the dinner menu.
Look, a bird.
So that's over at Monkeypod. Oh well, just gotta walk around over here and see what we see. Behind the coffee shop is Pineapple's Boutique. Looks like dresses and sundry type things. Plantation. Looks like jewelry, purses, and home type goods. Cute little picture frames, Hawaiian frames, and a surfboard. That's cool. Aloha pineapple picture frame. That's pretty cool. There's some Birkenstock shoes in there. This is the Ko Olina, okay. Open 10 to 8. It looks like shoes, purses, picture frames. Cool island merchandise. Little purses and grocery bags. $10 for the grocery bags.
You don't need to buy another one. I've got another one.
Necklaces, pearls. To the plastic shirts section. $8.99 for the kids' tees, or 2 for $16. $14.99 on these, and looks like it goes up to extra large on these ones. Adults tees, $12.99 or 2 for $24. Coffee cups, your hydro flasks, go tree nut and necklaces. These are $6.99. Lots of options if you are just staying at the resort. You don't have a car, so there's plenty of options over here for gifts we bring home. Grocery items aren't too expensive, so lots of options over here that just grab and carry back to the resort. Here's some Lay's at $1.99. Here is different style Hawaiian shirts at $20, and looks like sizes up to 2X on some of these. Dresses. There are flip-flops and water shoes. Little shirts, 6 months up to size 6, it looks like, in the little Hawaiian shirts. Swim trunks up to extra large. The T shoots in the back up to 2X. They're really good on the signs telling you what size they have available in those. And another row of the magnets and tchotchkes, more magnets. So walking across the street to, I guess, the north of the Ko Olina Center, on this side of the street there is a Starbucks, and it does appear very busy. So those who are specific to or like Starbucks the most, there's Starbucks over here, and there's somebody outside taking your order, it looks like. This is the eggs and things. They're checking you in, and there's a scan me code for eggs and things. Starbucks Nitro Cold Brew, so the Starbucks right behind the eggs and things. So they're open 6:30 to 2:30, so they do close early, and no cash at this time, only card at the Starbucks. Actually, there is only 2 people in Starbucks right now. It's not busy, and it is now 7:17 on a Friday morning. Looks like a new restaurant coming soon, Tropical Poke. Another shirt store. Back here is Things Unique, and there we did see some personalized gifts come from here. Open 9 to 6. Some public restrooms back here. Ko Olina medical office kind of hidden in the back over here. If there's anything else over here, plenty of spots hidden back over here. Can't find spots up front. I think this is just the back of some of the stores on the front side, so we'll walk out front again. There is elevators. I don't see what's upstairs. Maybe corporate offices, but I'm not sure that there's merchandise type stores up there. Akina store, 11 to 6, more dresses and sundries. Crazy Shirts, open 9 to 6. Maximum occupancy of 10. Well, a bunch of different shirt styles. Cool Dad shirts, Bank of Dad, yeah. Here is the Pizza Corner. Pizza Corner is 11:30 to 8:30. And there's Just Tacos Mexican Grill and Cantina. It says open at 11 a.m. but there is paper on the window, so I'm not sure if they really are open or not. The windows are papered up. I can't quite tell. So it might be open, might not. Not sure on this one. That is it for the Ko Olina station shops. So a couple different food options. You've got the Monkeypod, you've got 2 different coffee shops, food inside ABC Commissary. I said commissary, I'm sorry, that's at Disney Hollywood Studios. ABC store. Eggs and Things, Starbucks, where it says the Hawaiian barbecue, that's going to be the new Poke. Pizza Corner, and possibly just tacos. So some options directly across the street from the Disney Resort. Big plane coming in. Oh, it's a FedEx plane. I was so focused on the coffee, I missed island rolls. Well, I make ice cream rolls. So they looks like they open at maybe 12:30. Can't really see, they've got a closed sign, but no real open sign. So ice cream option over here too. So we're gonna go ahead and close out the walking tour of the Ko Olina Center directly across from Aulani Disney Resort, and go from there, head back over to Aulani, do some walking around over there. But I hope you enjoyed our quick tour. Have a great day, everybody.